Hello guys, hope you're all doing good. I think it's been 2 weeks now, and I'm really happy to be here again. And guess what? I just received another payout. Oh god. Well, it has been a very eventful 2 weeks. The last 2 weeks has been dreadful. Kai god, I've never had this kind of losing streak in my not in my life per se, but maybe since I started trading prop firms, I've been on a losing streak. Guess what? The 15k account, I crossed the phase 2. So remember the last time I showed you the account, I was in phase 2. So I managed to cross it, but since I got the funded account, it's been losses upon losses upon losses. And I think I got the funded account on Tuesday last week. Yeah, I got it on Tuesday last week, and since then, I've not recorded one win. Maybe aside of little win, maybe two little wins. Not I won't call it a win, like a break-even trade, like a trade that wasn't going in my direction. I just decided to close it in slight profit. But every other thing has been losses. I'm telling you, since Tuesday last week, and makes me feel sick, makes me feel bad. I'm happy that I got a payout yesterday on my 5k account, a 630 something, I think $636 payout. Remember last time I filmed this video, I was I think 11% up, and I think that was 550. So I managed to drag that account to $750, and then I took some losses, so it came back down to $636. I had some days before payout, so I wanted to see if I could take the account to $1,000. So that would have been very massive. Yeah, but I took some losses and I ended up with $636, which is somewhere above 12%, which is also good. Yeah, so sorry, above 12, maybe above 13%, which is also good. Yeah, so that's how it went, but it's been red. It's been red, and it's just one of those things in trading. You as much as you win, you need to understand that there is losing part too. So don't worry, I'll show you. I'll show you everything. I think I should quickly start by running into my account and show you my show you profit I got. I've not got my certificate yet, so I can't show my certificate. The way Fundednext works, it takes maybe 3 days to get your payout certificate. So I'll just log into the account and show you the payouts. Alright guys, so this is my Fundednext account, and right away you can see 3 accounts here. This first one is a trial account, it's a demo account which I just got. When I got this 15k account and I was trading it, I was already seeing myself trading a 100k account, but I expected to get secure some payouts here. Since it's funded already, just secure a payout and see how I'm going to make that. I'm going to purchase the 100k and trade it, but I think that has been put into hold since I've fallen into losing streaks, and I'm currently down on this account. So this first one is a trial account, the demo account. These two here are my funded accounts. Remember, I don't have any challenge account because I crossed this phase 2 account, this phase 215 account last week Tuesday, I guess, and since then, like I said, it's been losses all through. This is my 5k account that I just, the new one I just received yesterday, and this one has also followed suit, also in loss. So I really need to look for a way to balance this thing. I can't afford to lose these two accounts. So let me just quickly go into this 5k account and show you the payout I received there. Okay, so quickly before we run into the payout, you can see that I'm already $73 in loss here. That's 1.46% of the account already, which is actually a lot. So I think what I'll be doing from now henceforth is just to reduce my risks from 1% to 0.5%, so that I can manage this account properly. The market has been very rough these days for the last 2 weeks, and anytime market goes like this, that's one thing with traders. That's why a lot of people lose their money, because when the market is going rough, they are unable to manage their losses. They are unable to slow trading down and get back in in the winning ways before they continue again. So, and one of the ways to do that is by reducing your risk to a reasonable amount. So, like for me now, I take 1% risk from my account. Yeah, but I can reduce 0.5% to help me go through this rough patch of trading. Yeah, so that's just how you manage an account in drawdown. So yeah, if I go to the payout section, you will see that I received a total of $847 so far from this 5K account. See, that's a very massive progress. Yeah, $847.5 is I think around 16 to 70% of $5,000, which is reasonable within a period of 3 months. I think I signed November, December, January, February. So that's 3 months, and I've gotten paid almost 20% of 5K. So that's good. And if I scroll down, you see that I got a payout of $509. That's the amount that got to my hand. It was $636. So when they removed their 20%, I had $509 waiting, which we received, and you can see that here it shows disbursed. Yeah, so that's it for the payout. And here, what you see here is just my profit share from the 15K account that I'm trading, and it's still waiting because I need to pass that account and get a 5% payout. Sorry, I said pass. I've passed the account, but I need to get a 5% payout before I can get this money with. So this is just free money waiting, $180 and $102. It's free money waiting, but hinged on me um, getting a payout from the funded account and up to 5% payout too. So that's how my account is, and that's how my. I think I already explained how my trading has been by the last 2 weeks. It's been dreadful, nothing short of that. Okay, maybe I should just quickly go into the account and show you the history so you can see all the reds that I've been talking about. All right, so this is the. I think 15K account is the better option to show this because I've been trading it actively over the last 2 weeks since I received it, and here you can see that I'm 7.19% down, just 3% to go on this account, and I really hope that I manage to drag it out of drawdown. Yeah, but if I go to the trading overview, and okay, so right down here you can see, okay, this commission, where's profit? Okay, here is profit right down here. You can see minus 70, 2 minus 61 minus 77 minus 45 minus 11, sorry, minus 111 minus 162 minus 106 minus 151 minus 32. And if I go to page 2 as well of this report, you see, okay, maybe I just managed to get this little $30 here, and the rest is minus 169.9 minus 153. So you can see that this has been a very heavy losing spree. Yeah, a very losing streak. So for those that someone asked me last week if it's possible to go on a lose like 5 or 6 trades in a row. My idea is very possible. You can lose 10, even 15, even 20 trades in a row. So that's just, it doesn't mean your strategy isn't working. It just means you need to slow down, take it easy, and carefully drag yourself back into the winning ways. And that's what I intend to do on this account, and that's why I would drop the risk for this account. I think my payout day on this account is in 3 weeks, maybe 2-3 weeks. So there's no point rushing. Let's see. It's on March 11, almost 3 weeks to go on this account. So there's enough time to maybe drag it out of drawdown and get just a little something payout, because if I don't get a payout on this account, then I need to wait another 4 weeks. Yeah, so, and I wouldn't want that to happen. Okay, so that's spent so much time. That's it for now. I think I should quickly run into my trading view and just show you 1 or 2 trades. One that went in profit, and I don't think I have any trade that went in profit over the last 2 weeks, so I don't really have anything to show. Yeah, but maybe I'll show you some of my losses. Please, losses is part of the game. All right. So this is my trading view account, and okay. So the moment I opened the account, I remember that it had this UAD outlook. So it just looks like my village people have been after me these last 2 weeks, and it's evident even here because this is a trade I marked out to take yesterday. This is I think it was around one yesterday. So I got everything I needed to take this trade, and I had the option to take gold as well yesterday. Let me see. Okay, so this is the one for gold. Okay, let me just zoom out here. So I marked out these two opportunities. This one, this is around 11. I didn't take this. I just had this there, but this one I did take, and I marked this out together with EURAUD to take. But for some reason, my village people led me to take gold, and it ended up dreadful. Let me just quickly break down how why I was interested in this UAE trade. Um, on 4 hours, you'd notice that we are on a clear downtrend, quite alright. Yeah, but if you go to daily, let's see weekly first. So if you go to weekly, you'll see that there is support right here, and if you go to daily, you'll see it again. So there's support right here, and there's a lot of reason for this market to want to bounce off this level. Yeah, so that was the reason why I was interested in it, and we already saw the first bounce right here. If I go to 4 hours, you notice this strong bullish hammer. I think this is called hammer. Yeah, it's bouncing off of this level. So I knew that there was going to be a good reaction from here, and I became interested in the level. Yeah, so um okay, so after this first bounce, when market made its way back here, I knew this was the opportunity. So if I go to 1 hour, you would notice that there is something that looks like a W here, or maybe a rejection, or maybe double bottoms. There's a lot of things people call it. Yes, so and this broke above this small resistance that was created right here. So what that meant is that if price got back there, then there should be another huge reaction. And the first time price came back here, it was 3 a.m. in the morning, and I would definitely be sleeping by then, so nothing to do here. Yeah, but the second time price got back here, this was around 11 a.m. that same morning, and I was at work then, so there was enough time to see what was going to happen. Yeah, so and we had this first hammer here, and then we had something similar again. So this was enough reason to get into this trade because they are all bullish signals. You can see the wicks coming from that level, and that was the reason why I drew this arrow tool. My plan was to take this trade, buy it from here right up to the way to this high, and you can see that's exactly what it did. If I had taken this trade, my because I got my new account yesterday, my 5K account yesterday, and I had my 15K account. So if I had taken this trade on those two accounts, probably would not have a reason to trade on that 5K account again because I was still risking 1% there, and this would have been 8% right on the first day. Just like my last trading period, the trade I took hit I think 5 hour TP on the first day I got the account, and that's what prepared me into getting a 13% payout from that account because my first day was a 5% win, my second day was another 5% win. So you can see that was massive. So if I had got this trade and got this 8% win yesterday, then definitely I would have been in line for another withdrawal in the next 2 weeks. Well, I'm probably still in line, but that's just it. So that was how I missed this opportunity. Then if you go to gold, gold had a reason for we to want to sell, temporary sell by the way, because you can see that even though gold has been bullish over the long run, after a lot of bulls we expect some bears, and this last 2 days movement felt like it was the retracement that would, hold on for a while, and that was the reason why I was also interested in a sell for gold. And if you go to 15 minutes, you would see that we have this impulse down, we have the correction, we have another impulse down. Then this looks like the third correction. You can see the lower highs forming. And so I expect that this would be another impulse down again, even if you didn't get to this level. But at least I expect it to take out these lows right here. And that was the reason for taking this trade. So if I zoom into it, you would notice that there are already some bearish signals. So after this impulse to the upside, there was a break of this level, of this support level. So after this pullback, I was expecting that okay, we'll be able to resume this trend, which looked like it had resumed again with this big bearish candle that formed here. But the market does the same, took me out, and I'm sure it took every other person that was trying to sell here out with this huge wick, and still pretended as if it was going to continue going down. Some people may have entered on this retest right here for another sell, and that's how they would have been taken out again, another loss. Yeah, and that's why you need to be able to control your emotions when you trade, because these things can mess with you. It can really mess with you. So you need to be able to control your emotions. You need to be able to slow down when you need to slow down. Like me, after taking this loss yesterday, I just hand stopped the market. Yeah, because if I try to push it, definitely I'll be taking more losses. And maybe if I had taking this one instead, because there was still an opportunity for entry here, but this was around 545, 545. So well, that's trading for you. You cannot predict. You can't really predict what will happen. You can only execute your strategy and hope for the best, and that's just what trading is. So I think these two charts are enough. This video is getting too long already. I think these charts are enough to for you to understand how my trading week. I think 2 weeks now. I didn't drop a video last week, so how my last 2 trading weeks have been. It's been dreadful. if I should go into maybe pound USD, because I took a lot of pound USDs, if I should scroll back, you would see losses upon loss. Look at it, loss, loss. So it's been losses, but we're good. You just have to keep your cool. You get. And that's one thing about trading too. It's not a salary. You're not earning salary, so that you know that every month nothing will hold your salary from getting in. It's like a business. Sometimes you lose, sometimes you win. But you need to know how to manage both scenarios. Yeah, and make sure your wins are more than your losses. So, and for me, this is my longest losing streak in the last 3 months. So it's just okay. I would bounce off. I know I'll bounce off. Well, I really was expecting to purchase my 100k account this week, because for my 5k account I have enough money to do that already. I think I have up to $700 on my 5k account, and I just need $550 out of it to purchase the 100k account. And I was hoping that if I secure a payout on this 15k account, I'll be able to go ahead and purchase the 100k account. But you can see that's not what is happening. I feel a bit downcast. Yeah, because when you are hoping for something and it did not come to pass, you feel sad about it. Yeah, but you just have to cheer up. Trading is a marathon, it's not a sprint. So you're not looking to get rich quick. Even that's part of what is possible. It's on the table. You can actually run that hard, but it's not always like that. You're not looking to get rich quick. It's not a get rich quick scheme, but it's a business where you steadily grow. Like me now, I would say I've grown over the last 3 months, and I'm still looking for more growth. And definitely that 100k account will come. It will come. It's only delaying. I already saw it in my dream, and I thought I would be getting it this week. And I think this is still February, so we're still a long way to go. Remember my trading plan. If you've not watched the video, I would link it up right here. So I have my trading plan to making 100k this year, and this is just 22nd of February, so it's still very much on the table. And once I get that first 100k account, that will be like what will propel me into getting those figures. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. For me, I really enjoyed making it, and I would like to see you guys again in the next one. If you are new here, please like, share with your friends, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.